All right, here's what we got in that next weather forecast. Of course, fall colors changing at a good rate as we go into the next 3 weeks. We should be at peak by about that October 12th to 15th time frame. That's really what we're looking at right now, with some good colors already starting to pop out there. However, our next big thing for us, looking at Wednesday, that's the cooler day this week, still with an isolated shower chance, while Thursday brings in a few showers, but we start to warm again. Friday, though, that is where we really start to dry out and we start to make that changeover. Everything starts to shift a bit into a much warmer and sunnier trend. And I'll show you why here in a moment, because when you see the system here, all the rain we had earlier pushing its way off to the west. Tomorrow, yeah, we have a stray little shower or sprinkle, but most of the rain is right here on Thursday, and especially mainly along and south of M59, especially south of I-69. You can see most of it just kind of fizzles out as you go north of the expressway. But when we get further into the extended, the next 7 days leaves us with those 60s and then eventually 70s and sun, and then upper 70s, almost 80, and a lot of sunshine for the start of next week, even into the middle of next week. I mean, that's a big stretch. We'll start off, though, looking at Thursday over in Green Bay, right? But don't worry. Obviously, it's a big game for us on Thursday night. The Lions there, 60s right at the start, 8:15. You got 59 degrees by the time you make it there to the 11 o'clock mark. So a bit of a change over there as the Lions face off against the Packers. Then you got the 70s all the way into the weekend. By Monday, though, we're in this pattern, and we're kind of stuck there. It's this pattern called an omega block. Why is that important? Well, it's because it's something that means our weather is stuck for a while. We see this several times a year. And the reason for it is you've got this weird little pattern, low, high, low. And until one of them is stronger than our high pressure right in the middle, then that's all we've got. Sometimes we're stuck with the low. Sometimes we're stuck with the high. And this time around, we've got the high pressure, which is why we've got upper 70s, possibly breaking 80, and plenty of sunshine for several days, starting this weekend and through much of next week.